Welcome to what's been called the Silicon Valley of India, a place where innovative ideas and state-of-the-art technology come together to help meet some of the world's most critical needs in the 21st century. It's here where Beckman Coulter Life Sciences continues its legacy as a leader in research and manufacturing for more than 85 years, and where we transform our patented technologies into the life-changing products used in laboratories and hospitals around the world. Historically, our 90,000 square foot Bangalore manufacturing facility has produced more than 1,300 high-quality panels per year, which is about 2 million reagent tubes per year. Today, strategic facility expansions have increased our capacity by 40%, enabling us to produce more than 400 unique products to meet growing customer demand worldwide. It all starts in our R&D labs, where our scientists are constantly exploring new ways to help simplify and accelerate workflows in clinical labs of all sizes. Because when we make our laboratory customers' lives better, they can help make patients' lives better. Of course, modern healthcare demands rigorous quality control. That's why we strive to go above and beyond, making sure that all of our products meet strict quality standards. Our proprietary DURA Innovation Technology, manufactured in this very facility, takes flow cytometry innovation to the next level. These are multicolored, pre-formulated, dried-down reagents that help flow cytometry labs worldwide to streamline their workflows and increase their efficiency. Every associate at Beckman Coulter Life Sciences is part of a growing global team, a team dedicated to providing customers with the top-quality reagent products they need today, and to discovering the innovations they will demand in the future. And it's a future we look forward to being part of.